How to increase Cash App limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can increase or change your Cash App limit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually increase or change our Cash App limit, so first of all you can just try to open up the Cash App here. Now first let's try to view our current limit. To view our current limit, open up Cash App and tap the profile icon from the top right. Then after that you can simply go to the option called limits. Then from there you'll be able to see all the limits, weekly limit, the monthly limit, and so on. So to remove this limit and increase it, come to the home tab of Cash App here. Then try to add some cash, because when you try to add some cash, Cash App will try and ask you to verify your account to continue using Cash App. So now you can tap on continue and you have a chance to simply enter your legal name, which is the first name, last name, and make sure to verify all the details in order to increase your Cash App limit. This way you will be able to increase your Cash App limit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.